In the heart of the Balkans lies a hidden gem, a place where ancient history meets modern charm. Welcome to Bitola. For a group of students from different corners of the globe, this historic city will become their classroom, their playground, and their home away from home. Join us as we witness the transformative power of friendship, the beauty of diversity, and the magic of student exchange in the enchanting city of Bitola.
I'm trying to learn to keep my mind in check. I'm listening to my friends. Oh, when they say it's destiny, it's meant to be this way. I found that they're right, and now I see that all this time, and I had the key. So now I'm on a roll. I got nothing but luck with the spring in my step. As I strut down the block, I see the boys stare and I hear them talk. As far as I go, as far as I know, I always got a place called home. I cross all the seas, it's fine by me, 'cause I'll never be far from home. My heart takes a hit and then my heart hits back. And each day I find comfort in the fact I listen to my friends when they say, man, just relax, 'cause it's all a game. I found they're right, and now I see I'm gonna have my fun. What will be will be. Now I'm walking the street, whistling this.
Say it again.
Place I can't miss. I smile.